This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cheryl Wadsworth. Custom 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with an additional office/library on a double lot. Almost an acre and a half of land in a beautiful established neighborhood. Open, bright and airy floor plan with a spacious eat-in kitchen, great room and formal dining area make this home perfect for entertaining. Master suite with walk-in closet, double vanity with private pool access. 3-car, 1,600 square foot oversized garage. Plenty of space for your toys. Brand new roof 2022, new air conditioning system, central vacuum system, newer private custom pool, jacuzzi and massive covered patio for all of your outdoor enjoyment. Great neighborhood for biking and walking and enjoying the outdoors. Close proximity to the beaches, A-rated schools, Kennedy Space Center and 45 minutes to Orlando. A must-see. Contact Listing Agent Cheryl Wadsworth 321-536-2080 for more information.